Well, today was hot and hazy to say the least. Hot and windy. Monday, some of that smoke is going to be moving towards the east. Should have better visibility. So it's going to be hot and windy, south winds gusting up to 30 miles per hour. Cold front, which will move through Monday night, early Tuesday morning, bringing us rain likely Tuesday in parts of southeast Nebraska, but out towards the west, they do have a severe weather threat. High temperatures today, upper 80s off towards the southeast and some lower 90s out towards the west. 91 in Scottsbluff, 90 in Shattern. So those were the only two 90s on the board. But hey, it's summertime, is that right? Barry Law Cam, you can still see a little bit of that smoke out there on the horizon. That's going to move on out. Let's take a look at that. Smoke aloft in the atmosphere as we go overnight. Boom, right there, about 9 a.m. Most of that smoke will be moving off towards the east, and we should be clearing up. Near surface smoke, let's take a look at that. As we go through tonight into tomorrow morning, all moves out towards the east. So smoke should be out of our way by tomorrow morning, 9 a.m., 10 a.m. Temperatures right now, how about this? Upper 70s in some spots. 77 in Lincoln right now, 74 in Grand Island, 72 in Broken Bow. We're all relatively warm, 74 in Omaha and 71 in Nebraska City. And we do have moisture, almost at 60 for a dew point, 57 in Lincoln and 56 in Beatrice. So there is moisture out there, and that is going to contribute to the severe potential for tomorrow. Winds are out of the south, 5 to 10 miles per hour, and satellite and radar is relatively calm. Some cloud cover off towards the west and clear skies off towards the east, maybe even some storms getting going in Colorado. Here's the risk for Monday, tomorrow. Level 2 slight risk for most west central Nebraska surrounding areas. That level 1 marginal risk. Tornado potential, it's there at 2%. Tornado potential as these storms get going. Could see a few brief spin-ups just in parts of southwest Nebraska. Large hail, we're going to be talking quarter size or greater in that yellow, and then surrounding areas, maybe some pea-size hail. But this is going to be a damaging wind event with a little bit of hail for sure, as these storms will make a line. So winds up to 70 miles per hour. And then for Tuesday, boom, one county is in a marginal risk. I wouldn't be surprised if this does get shifted a little towards southeast in Nebraska as we go into tomorrow. But let's take a look at Stormcast and when are we expecting these storms. So tomorrow morning looks to be just fine. A little warm, temperatures in the 60s. A little bit of cloud cover moves in, but now as we get that daytime heating, upper 80s, lower 90s, boom, we start to see our first storm development right here. A line of storms just west of Norfolk, and that is going to be producing some decent hail and winds. But now, boom, that turns into a QLCS. And this is going to be a wind event, hail event, and then few possible tornadoes on the tail end of that. That's going to continue to move sort of towards the east, slowly but surely, and that is going to continue its strength with that hail, wind, and few brief spin-up tornadoes. As we go into Tuesday early morning, 2 a.m., that's moving off towards the east. Moderate to heavy rainfall, maybe a little bit of hail off in southeast Nebraska, so I wouldn't be surprised if that little marginal risk gets shifted to about Lincoln north a little. And then that's Tuesday afternoon, maybe some scattered rain showers. How much rain are we expecting? Look at this. Here we are, about maybe an inch or more in some spots, so that is going to give us a little bit of an excessive rain outlook for some spots out in west central Nebraska, so some localized flooding is possible. Tonight, 57 degrees, mostly clear, a little bit of haze still in the sky, some upper 50s and lower 60s. Tomorrow, 92 degrees, mostly sunny, 92 degrees, that's just crazy to say, but these winds will be picking up out of the south. 15 to 25 miles per hour, gusting to about 30. Everyone in the lower 90s, my goodness. And then boom, that cold front will move through, bringing our temperatures back down into the 70s. And we could have a little risk for Tuesday morning, Tuesday afternoon. But then the rain and storm chances will continue to be isolated to scattered throughout the weekend, next weekend.